When you're here at ACE, you're a family. You can talk to any one of the managers or the owner himself, and they're always willing to bend over backwards to help you out.
It's more than just a place to work. Starting from the top all the way down, you have people that care about you. If there's anything that you need, they'll be there to meet you halfway. You're not just another number here. They call you by your name, they treat you like a person. You can tell that they care.
The opportunity I was going to have with the company and grow with the company was just an excellent opportunity that you don't get anywhere.
The future is unlimited for anybody who wants to get into the trades.
The trades aren't going to go away. There's always consistent work, great pay, room to move up and accelerate your career.